Hi, my name is Irene Dona Diana. I'm from Sekolah Tengku Putria. I'm in Standard 6. Today, I would like to present my invention entitled Mushroom Foam, Nature's Green Packaging. This is my research team. I was helped by three researchers from Faculty of Chemical Engineering Technology from UNIMEP. I will start with how this research was started. It is come from the problem with plastic packaging, so it will become a significant environmental crisis, polluting our oceans and landfills. This waste will threaten the life and it needs solutions to overcome this problem. One of the sustainable overcome solution is mushroom foam packaging. Mushroom foam is a sustainable alternative to plastic packaging. It made from agriculture waste and mycelium. It's fully biodegradable and compostable. How this mushroom foam is made? It's made from yellow ocean mushroom and it will mix with the agriculture byproducts and allow for the cultivation to produce the mushroom foam. Now, let's take a look on the mechanical properties. In terms of compressive strength, the mushroom foam have a comparable value with the styrofoam. Whereas for the flexural strength is much higher than the styrofoam. In terms of heat retardant test, the mushroom foam shows the sharp formations, whereas the styrofoam is completely melting when introduced to the heat. As a conclusion, it can conclude that the mushroom foam that we produce have a potential material to replace the styrofoam that has already have in the industry. Thank you for attention and thank you for listening. We appreciate your interest in mushroom foam packaging. Together, we can make a significant impact in reducing plastic waste and promoting a sustainable future. Let's embrace a nature solutions for a healthier planet.